flathead. I'll be right back. I'm gonna just adjust a little bit here. Okay guys, we just started the car for the first time. Another little modification that I did is I made a little hole here and I pulled out the battery wire and the other wire that connects to the battery so I can charge it. I can charge the battery without opening up the top case here. Saves a lot of time and effort because that screw back there is really hard to get to. But it keeps it all nice and sealed, and look, you can just charge it here. What do you think? You like it?
Oh, yeah.
Nice, huh? Jay, what are you doing? Oh, damn, I didn't get you. I didn't scare you. What are you doing?
I'm just fixing this car. That helped me get on these parts.
Cool.
Later, I just check the ESC. Maybe.
So you know, this is an old ESC.
Yeah.
It's a very...
It's same than mine.
That's your car?
Yeah.
Let me see. Nice. So how long ago did you buy this car?
Somebody gave it me for free.
Whoa, that's so nice. You got so much good karma.
Yeah. Look.
Nice, Jay. It's exactly the same as this.
Yeah. And look this thing.
Yeah.
And or this is back.
Wait, did you say you got this for free?
Yeah.
You were trying to sell it to me. I got you.
Too. It's 200.
200? Uh-oh. So you want to sell it to me, Jay, or what?
$500 because it's limit.
Okay.
Limit $500.
Okay, let me think about it then.
Yeah.
So what are we doing here? Are you going to change this? Does this work or no?
This the ESC 有没有？我看还没有 try.
Okay, give her a shot, Jay. Keep up the good work. See you later. Whoa. Let's see the magic happen. That's amazing. That's incredible. Are you controlling that with a servo?
Yes.
That's so neat, man. That's so cool. Yeah, Lowrider. That's so sweet. That's cool, man. That's awesome. So you installed what, 2 servos? One on the front, one on the back, right?
There's 4 servos.
4 servos?
Yeah.
Oh,
Front,
yeah.
rear. You gotta
Also,
have servo reversers. There's a lot of
Yeah, you know, that's actually what I was thinking. So you can actually just lift one side and not the other, or is it just both connected, like front?
Yeah, I have front and rear set up right now.
Okay, that's so amazing what you did here. I've never seen this before.
Interesting. It's very interesting. This one's not for sale. I've had guys like, I'll sell this to you. I'm like, no. There's not enough money out there.
That is so, so cool. So you got them connected right to the actual shock, right?
Yeah.
That is so awesome. That is so cool, man.
And I just use my auxiliaries to control it.
That is awesome. How many channels here? 4 channels?
Yeah.
4 channels.
All 4 get used, including the bind ports.
Oh man, that's incredible. Good job on this, man.
Thanks, man.
Do you have an Instagram?
Yeah.
What's your Instagram?
MMM.drop. I'll write it down for you.
Awesome. Thank you so much, guys.
No problem.